All right, so on the last video of solving the system by substitution, we kind of went in detail on how to do this guy and how to do this guy. They were done completely different. But this time, on this video, I'm going to do both of them, hopefully in 5 minutes. So when I see a problem that looks like this, I know this is a straight line and this is another straight line, and I just make them equal to each other because they're both equal to y. This guy in red is equal to this guy in blue. So the red one, which is 4x plus 5, that's equal to the blue one, which is 3x minus 2. Now, we already went over the steps to solving an equation with the letters on both sides. We literally want the letter x, the variable x, to be on the left and the 5 to be moved to the right. And you do that by subtraction, or adding the opposite. The opposite of plus 5 is minus 5. So that minus 3x needs to be done over here as well. And the minus 5 needs to be done over here as well. This winds up being 0, and then we cross that one out. So what is 4x minus 3x? Well, luckily it's just 1x, which we really don't need the 1. And negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7. And we just solved for x, which is half of our solution, negative 7 for x. Now, to find out what y equals, all you have to do is substitute, not substitute, but plug in the negative 7 here or here. And it'll be the same answer, either one of these that you put in. I come up here, I get 4 times negative 7. 4 times negative 7 is negative 28, and I need to add 5 more. And negative 28 plus 5 is negative 23. And that's the solution to the system of these two straight lines intersecting each other. Over here, we only have y equals in one of the linear functions. And so I'm going to go ahead and tell you that this guy right here is our substitution for y, which I want to put it right there and rewrite the top equation. So as y is equal to negative 4x plus 10, I replace the y and I just rewrite this standard form problem, 2x plus 3, and in parentheses, negative 4x plus 10, that represents y, that equals negative 10. And this math problem is done a little different as we distribute, as I sometimes call it, the rainbow property, because I draw little rainbows until the kids get comfortable, then you don't need to draw them. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12x, and 3 times 10 is 30. And I still got to bring that 2x down. I got the x's that I need to combine here. I get negative 10x. I need that 30 to go to the right with the other numbers. And I subtract it because 30 minus 30 is 0, and that minus 30 on this side, giving me negative 40. And lastly, I divide. Now, I see a lot of kids dividing like this, and they'll mess up. They'll divide by 10, and they'll get the problem wrong. Make sure when you divide the exact number. They get it confused with the 30 and the minus 30. So do that, and get your x by itself, and get positive 4. For your x value. Positive 4 for your x value. And then the easiest place to put the 4 would be right here as you substitute it, and you get negative 4 times 4 plus 10. And I hope this is still in the video. Negative 16 plus 10, which equals negative 6. And that's your answer to your system of equations. I hope that made sense. These two guys are not complicated, they're just done a little differently. Thanks for watching.